Hello everybody, this is Deepak here again, and today I have an interesting product to unbox and to review. FYKI. So this I have here is a Secrid item. Let me follow through the box here. So it is made in Holland. It's an original black mini wallet. Yep, as you can read it, it is a mini wallet. Now the box is rather simple, nothing fancy or whatsoever. It is a cardboard, so full black. Now let me pop it open. So voila, look at this, look at the beauty. Now they have tons of different colors, different materials, different shape and sizes, but this is what I have, and I have been using not this one but the same black, original black, for almost 2 years now. So I'm gonna do some little bit unboxing and I'm gonna do some review of my unit. All right, so let's follow through. So the box it's very minimalistic design, very simple, nothing fancy whatsoever. So here is the manual. So let me put aside this box. Alright, so let's do this. So with every single spending, you decide where your money goes. A better world starts in your pocket, and that is so true. So it's an artisan from Holland that they uses one of the best cowhide that money can buy. Very legit leather and high quality leather. And the beauty of this wallet is about this one here, RFID. Now regarding RFID, I'm gonna put the description in the link below. Alright, I'm gonna put the whole description about what is RFID, and please do read that one out. And that's it. It's made in Holland, and they uses a premium quality of steel and a premium quality leather, so their unit is extraordinarily amazing. So that's it. It's a card protector. About that I will explain you in a detail. Just give me a second. Yeah, so this is the unit. Now this is a single unit, let's say a single steel frame card holder unit. It does come in double deck, like 2 different slots in it. Take it out. So inside you have furthermore a card holder here. Here you'll put the cash. That's it. A basic minimalistic design, yet serves a hell lot of what you can see here. So the finishing has a fine stitching around. It's hand stitched, by the way. All right, so it's a genuine leather. Now here you can see, let me zoom it in properly. It's written Secrid here. Look at that, Secrid. All right, that's it. Now the thing about my unit here, look at this. Now this is, let me keep it side by side. Now this is a fresh unit. This one I've been using for quite some time, probably almost 2 years now. And look at this. It's getting a little bit dirty, but look at the stitches. Everything is intact. It fell from my hand a couple of times. It has some dents in here. Look at this. Still, it has a dent. Look at that. It has a dent, but it's rock solid, really. So all you have to do is pop it in. These are my cards here. It can hold 6 cards on the go. All right. Furthermore, you can put cash in here. Furthermore, like let's say 2 and 4 more cards. So you can maximum hold up to 10 cards, decent sized cards. That's it. Again, it's very satisfying. Pop it. Good. Look at the way it aligns, and it will help you to make it easier to choose whichever card you like. Now the beauty of RFID, what it has is that people can steal your card details, cash from your card, just by scanning the device, right? So this steel frame here does protect that from getting scanned. So that is RFID. I'm gonna put the detail of RFID in the description below. Please do check it out. And that's it. So this is my Secrid wallet, and please, if you really want something mini wallet, there are loads of different brands. All of them are promising RFID whatsoever, but this brand, I have been using it for 2 years. I love it. Look at the finish, and still it is rock solid. Let me put it side by side on with the new one. And the good quality leather, the older it gets, the better it gets, just like a red wine. Yep. Cheers, thank you so much, and God bless us all.